Today, we are going to take a look at the power of ChatGPT in creating PowerPoints. If you didn't already know, ChatGPT 4 has the plugin functionality. To get the plugin functionality, you must first of all activate it on the bottom left side of the screen right here. Click on the three dots, click on Settings and Beta, and then you'll be able to see where to activate the plugins. Make sure the green buttons are turned all the way to the right. You could also use this for advanced data analysis if you wish. The most important one is plugins. When that has been turned all the way, you'll be able to make use of the plugin functionality. Plugin functionality involves going to a plugin store, which you'll see the very first time you try to use the plugins. Click on Plugin Store and say OK, and that will take you to where you can get a bunch of plugins. Plugins that I am going to be using have already been selected, so feel free to install whichever plugins you want. A plugin I'm looking for to demo to you today is Smart Slides. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a presentation about keeping fit and inspiring young people to do so. Create a slide deck about keeping fit and encouraging young people to hit the gym or to work out HIT style at home and to eat healthy. Create 10 compelling slides. Typos and all, you hit enter, it knows what to do. You can see right here the green box with the spinning wheel. This is just showing you that ChatGPT is working and thinking in the background. If you hit that drop down arrow, you can see what it's doing on the back end. It's pretty much writing code that it's going to end up putting into the slide. In fact, a longer way of doing this would be to first of all generate a script with ChatGPT and then to ask it to create a VBA code, which you would take and put into PowerPoint. But you don't need to do any of that anymore. Everything will be done for you using the power of ChatGPT. So it says it's done, and right now it's about to open a PowerPoint. So it says you can download the presentation here. So I'm going to click download the presentation. I'm going to click on that. Once it's done, it should open up and we'll be able to see the presentation that ChatGPT has created with the plugin. So let's click on that one time and it's downloading the file. Now I'm going to click Open File. Now that I have clicked Open File, I'm going to share on the screen what exactly this looks like now. So let's show the PowerPoint deck that has been generated. This is the PowerPoint deck that has been generated. I'm going to click on Enable Editing, and that enables me to edit. Next, I'm going to go to Design, and I'm going to choose the Office theme so that I get rid of anything that will prevent me from doing a smooth edit. So I've gotten rid of that. I'm going to title it Keep Fit. Put in my name here, Your Buddy Phil. And as you know, the designer functionality here in Microsoft PowerPoint is just invaluable. All you need to do is click and select very quickly from the options on the right. And that's exactly what I'm going to be done with here in a few seconds. And it knows the theme, it understands what is being spoken about. All you need to do is click and select what you want. And before you know it, my friends, there you have it. your PowerPoint done and dusted. Just as simple as that. And let's go ahead and put this in presentation mode. So I'm going to show you the brilliance of GPT by going full screen. All right. So remember, this was done in a limited amount of time. Think about that, a limited amount of time. And there you have it. In less than 2 minutes, you've got a full slide deck that you can speak to, that you can educate, that you can train with. How awesome is that? These are some of the benefits, my friends, of plug-in functionality of ChatGPT. I hope you found value from this. I encourage you to subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified when there are more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the like button and show some love to your buddy Phil. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.